Hello traders, I'm Jason from Sureshotfx. Today I have got another forecast about gold for this upcoming week. But before you look ahead, let's quickly talk about what happened last week with gold market. We'll discuss how the market moved and where it might go next. So we'll start our analysis with the current microstructure of gold on hourly time frame. On hourly time frame, we noticed that last week, after this heavy expansion to upwards, market created another all-time high, and later part of the week we noticed a pullback that is currently occurring on gold on H1 time frame. If we hide our drawings and go to high time frame, what can we see? We can clearly see that market is already at its all-time high. But after this rejection point and 4-hour bearish move, we are expecting that market may give us a deeper pullback if bearish market continues to form on H1 time frame. We also notice that there are almost equal low liquidity points, so there is a high chance that market may seek for this liquidity point and might mitigate one of this order block to continue even go higher. So if you go to H1 time frame and let's get our drawings back, what can we expect from gold market this week? So as on 1 hour time frame, market is bearish with this market structure shift and continuous bearish break of structure. We are expecting that market may give us a reaction from this supply zone and seek for this almost equal low liquidity points. And we have also marked a unmitigated order block, or you can say demand zone, that market may react from. But we also have to keep in mind that market may do something like this. Let's say market broke these supply zones with heavy impulse and close body candle above this high. So we are bearish until this high gets broken. So until that happens, we will continue to look for short setups. But if market breaks this high impulsively, we will look for longs once again and continue its high time frame bullish structure to look for new high. So let's summarize the forecast for you. Once again, based on market structure, gold bias is potentially bearish this week until we notice a bullish breakout structure form in H1 time frame. Last week, market again expanded higher and created another higher high, but later part of the week, we notice a pullback that is occurring right now. So from what I see in the charts, I think gold might keep going down until bullish structure comes into the market. We'll see what happens in the market in the next few days. That's all for our gold forecast for this week. Make sure to subscribe to Sureshotfx for more helpful information about forex. I wish you all successful trades. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in our next video.